Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to source for the latest tech reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to showcase, the Kediers C710 PC case. If you're in the market for the best water-cooling mid-tower case, you're in for a treat. This case comes packed with features that are sure to impress. So, without further ado, let's dive into the details. The Kediers C710 PC case is making waves in the world of gaming and PC enthusiasts. It's not just a case, it's a masterpiece designed for those who demand the best. This case is the perfect blend of style, performance, and functionality, and here's why it stands out from the crowd. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make the Kediers C710 a must-have for any serious PC builder. This case comes with not just one or two, but a whopping 7 pre-installed PWM RGB fans. These fans not only keep your system cool but also add a vibrant and customizable lighting effect to your build. The tempered glass side panel door is a game-changer. It's not just there for aesthetics, it's designed for functionality. The door is hinged for easy opening, ensuring excellent airflow and giving you a clear view of your components. The Kediers C710 boasts a cutting-edge front mesh design that ensures maximum airflow, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. With a spacious interior, this case supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, making it versatile enough for any build. Equipped with a multifunctional I/O panel, you have all the ports you need for various accessories, including USB 2.0, USB 3.0, high-definition audio, reset button, and power button. The Kediers C710 includes 3 dust mesh filters, ensuring that your case stays clean, and airflow remains optimal. Whether you have a small Mini ITX motherboard or a larger eATX board, this case can accommodate any size, making it future-proof for upgrades. Performance-wise, the Kediers C710 PC case is in a league of its own. With its 7 high-quality PWM RGB fans, you can achieve outstanding cooling performance while maintaining a silent and efficient system. In conclusion, the Kediers C710 PC case is a game-changer in the world of PC building. With its stunning aesthetics, unmatched performance, and thoughtful design, it's truly the best water-cooling mid-tower case on the market today. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in the Kediers C710 PC case, you can find the link to purchase it in the video description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth tech reviews and recommendations. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy gaming and happy building.